Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss here topic line and angle, the last lecture of these topics. And the important, we will discuss here important questions of the line and angles. Now look here. First question given here. If two lines are parallel, then find the value of x. Diagram here given, then first we'll draw the diagram, then discuss here. Question number first. Suppose diagram given in this form here. This one line is the M line and this line is the L line, and value of this angle is x 40 degree, 60 degree, now look here, what things given here, line, if L line parallel to M line, when this line is parallel to this line, and then find the value of x, find x, what value of the x here. And now look here, how to solve in this type question, a different type question. First of all, the two lines here, line first here, this line is parallel of this line. This line or this line is parallel. So how to solve, what is the relation of this and this angles here, what is the relation of this? So now look here, first of all, you will find value of the x here. Now look here, suppose these two lines are parallel. Now look here, suppose two lines are parallel in this form, and this angle is the 60 degree. These two lines are parallel and this is the transversal. Means this line or this line is parallel. Suppose diagram in this form, and this is the transversal. And now look here, the value of this angle is 60 degree. How much degree of this angle here? Now look at this is a 60 degree, then this angle will be a relation between this and this angle here, because this is the transversal angle. This one is the transversal angle. So now suppose the intersecting point of this O. Suppose this intersecting point here O, the value of this angle here. The value of this angle here. Suppose name of this angle is K. The value of this angle here K. The K equal to 60 degree. How it possible? Because alternate interior angle. These angles having the relation of alternate interior angles. After that, you can find this angle here. How much degree of this angle? How much degree of this angle? This and this angle. You can linear pair of this angle. So now you can put here, suppose name of this line here A line, A point, suppose as a B point and a O point, ABO. The name of this angle here AO, AB, this angle the C. The angle AOC. Now angle AOC plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree. How it possible? Because linear pair. Angle AOC equal to angle AOB equal to 180 degree. But then value of the angles equal to K or angle AOB. What value of the AOB here? Angle AOB you will find here, then 180 degree. The angle AOB equal to 180 degree minus K, or what value of the K here? Value of K already you get here 60 degree. And now this one is 120 degree. The value of angle AOB equal to 120 degree. The value of this angle is 120 degree. After that, you will look this angle AOB. Now, in triangle AOB, here, you can sum of the angle AO plus B. In triangle AOB here, the angle A plus angle O plus angle B equal to 180 degree. What is the reason here? sum of the angles of a triangle, properties of the angle of triangle. The value of the angle here 40 degree, value of the angle here AOB means 120 degree, plus angle with x 180 degree. What value of the x here? 180 degree minus 160 degree, then we get here 20 degree. What value of this angle is x? What value of the x here? 20 degree. In this way you can find value of this value of the x. First of all, you will take help of the every angle, because here 60 degree are given. That what is the relation of this here is 60 degree of. Suppose this is 60, there you can find according this way, this angle 60 and this angle also 60. What is the relation between this also? In this angle having the corresponding angle, and in this angle having the alternate angle. So you can use only one track. Suppose you are using this track, then you can use your x, value of the k here, alternate angle. Suppose you have required here 60 and this angle, so then this and this angle the corresponding angle. So then suppose this is the, you will find this angle, then this and this also here is linear pair. So suppose you are using this and this pair, this is also a linear pair. Suppose you are using this and this pair, then this is also in linear pair. So use only one track, this track, otherwise in this track. So I am using this track, the value of the k already find here, then using this and this angle here, linear pair. Solving, then you get the angle AOB, this angle. After then using the in this triangle AOB, angle A plus angle O plus angle X, total equal to 180 degree. When you solve this condition, then you get the value of the angle X. So now note down the next question. Yes, then next question I am taking this question number second here. This is a different type question here. If two lines are parallel, then find the value of the x and y. So now look here. Question number second. Suppose this line and this lines are parallel. Line A and B. This line is the C and D. Is parallel line, and this one is the transversal line. This line is called the transversal line L. Value of this angle is the x, and value of this angle equal to your 60 degree. After that, value of this angle is y, and value of this angle is z. And z is the 120 here. What value of this angle is 120. Means value of the angle is 120 degree. Now look here, find the value of x and y. So now what is given here? The line, if AB parallel CD, AB parallel CD, this angle is not given here. Find the value and find you here x, y and z. How to find it? Only one angle given here 60 degree. And then how to find out x, y, z here? First of all, you check here. How to find this angle x here? This now look here, angle x at 60 degree, both having here linear pair. Then you use this condition of the linear pair. Then you can find here the value of the x. What is the value of the x now? X plus 60 degree equal to 180 degree. What is the region here? Linear pair. X equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. This equal to 120 degree. The value of x equal to 120 degree. 120 degree. After that, what is the relation of the x and z? Now look here. Angle z equal to x, y, because it is the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. This angle having the corresponding angle. Z equal to what value of the x? 120 degree. Your second answer of this. First answer here value of the x. Next answer here value of the z. What relation with the y and z here? So now y equal to z. What relation of this? This relation of the vertically opposite angle. Value of the y equal to here 120 yes. 120 degree. This is your third answer. So now look here. So very easy you get your answer x, y, z here. First of all, use this relation here. So these two angles having the linear pair. With the help of the linear pair, you find the value of the x here. After then, using the relation of this x and z. What relation of the x and z here? The relation of the x and z here, corresponding angles. These two angles are the corresponding angles. Then, using their corresponding angles here. After that, using the y and z relation here, this relation having here vertically opposite angle. Using this relation vertically opposite, then you get value of the y. According to this, you can find the all values. Yes, note down the next part. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 3rd here. If the complement of an angle is 1/3 of its supplement, find the angle. If the complement of an angle is 1/3 of its supplement, find the angle. Now look here, what things given here. The question given here, question number 3rd. If the complement of an angle is, if the complement of an angle is 1/3 of its supplement, now look here, how to solve in this question. First, let the complement angle be 90 minus x and supplement angle equal 180 minus x degree. According what things given here. First, now look here. If the complement angle is n, if the complement is an angle is 1/3, this is is 1/3 of the supplement. So first of all, we let the complement. What is the complement angle? The complement angle, suppose the complement angle and complement angle. Let n complement angle, let the complement and angle be 90 minus and supplement angle equal to 180 minus x. ATQ, according to question, what thing is given here? The complement angle equal to 1/3 of supplement angle. This condition here given. Now cross multiply here. 9 3 ja 270 minus 3x equal to 180 minus x. Cross multiply here. Then you can get 270 minus 180 degree, 90 degree and 180 equal to minus x plus 2x. Subtracting here 70 minus 8 9 equal to x. Sorry, this one is the 3x. This is 2x here. So what value of the x here? 90 minus 2 equal to 45 degree. The value of the x equal to 45 degree. So what things you find here? Find the angle. So now value of the x equal to 45 degree. So what is the complement angle? The complement angle equal to 90 minus 45 equal to 45 degree, and supplement angle also here 90 minus 180. Supplement angle equal 180 minus x degree means 180 minus x. What value of the x is? 45 degree. Then you can get here 10 minus 5 and 7 minus 4 3 and 135 degree. You can get the answer of here. According to this, you can solve the question. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number here. If PQRS, the two lines are parallel, then angle PXM equal to 50 degree, YMYS equal to 120 degree. Find the value of the x. Now first of all draw the diagram, then we discuss a question here. Question number 5th here is suppose in this type diagram given, and value of this angle equal to here, this is the x angle and this is the y angle. Name of this point is the PQ and this is the RS, and value of this point name is the M. Name of this is 50 degree and this one is the 120 degree. And value of this is the x point here. This is the angle x. X minus 20. X minus 20. This is the value of the x minus 20 degree. This is the reflex angle of this. And PQ 120, 50 and 120. Yes. Now look here. How to solve this question here? And if condition here given, if PQ parallel RS and other angles are given, and you will find here value of the f. Find here x. What value of the x here? Not reflex angle, you will find value of the x. And now look here. First of all, this angle or this angle, what is the relation of this angle here? Now look here. First of all, we will discuss here this 120. Value of this angle is x minus 20 degree. So suppose you will draw the one parallel line of this. This is the M point, but this is the M point here. So now draw. Suppose name of this line here PQ AB. Name of this line here AB line. This line is AB point. To draw AB parallel PQ. We have drawn here AB line draw with help of the PQ. And suppose name of this angle here. Now look here. Name of this angle here, this and this. X. sum of this angle and this angle is 120 both, but you find this and this angle. Suppose this name of this angle is the K1, name of this angle is the K2. How to find out this question? So what value of the K2 here? So now value of the K2 here, value of the K2 equal to 120 degree. How is possible? Because alternate interior angle. The value of K2 equal to 120 degree. After that, this and this angle. Same things here. Suppose what relation between these two angles here? Now the K1 plus 50 equal to 180 degree. How is possible? Because co-interior angle. This and this angle value of the K1. The value of the K1 equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. The value of the K1 equal to 130 degree. Value of the K1 130 degree. Value of the K2 equal to 120 degree. Now look here. First of all, I have drawn a parallel line of this and this. Both the line already given that this and this line is parallel. We have drawn only here one pair of this. This and this line is parallel. So this line also is parallel of this. So this and this is already given here parallel. By this, nothing. Then I have converted to this complete angle here in two parts, K1 and K2. So this and this angle having relation here the alternate interior angle. Or this and this angle having relation of their co-interior angles. With the help of the alternate angle and co-interior angle, we have find a value of the K1 and K2. Then we can use here what value of the K1 K2 now. So K1 plus K2 is the result of x minus 20. What value of the K1? 130. What value of the K2? 120 degree equal to x minus 20 degree. Now 250 degree plus 20 degree equal to x. Then you can find out value of the x equal to 270 degree. So this is your final answer. X minus 20. Value of the x here 270 degree. According to this, in this angle we have divided in two parts, K1, K2. So this and this angle having relation, co-interior angle. This and this angle having relation, alternate interior angle. So both the this K1 K2 you have find in this help over here. Then you are adding the both the number. Or this is total angle given here x minus 20. The value of the complete reflex angle of this 120, x minus 120. Using this relation, find the value of the x. Just note down.